Caleb, what's that? Oh, give Papa some juice. That's calamansi juice, right?
Oh!
Oh,
Uy!
oh, maasim. Mama, maasim yata yan. Juice ni Caleb. Ah, Ooh, wow! Ang sarap. More, more.
Gusto niya siya mag-control eh.
Okay, uh, be gentle. Huwag masyadong madami. Naku.
Nagulat tuloy. Sorry.
Oh,
Sige na.
kawawa naman si
Sige na.
Caleb. It's okay. Papalitan natin yan, ha? Okay. Oh, one more. One more. Last one.
Nana, ubos na ka naman si Diyos.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.
Si bye-bye, anak. Bye-bye.
Teka, malamig.